What's up guys, jtmoffroad here. Today's video, we're gonna do some more stick welding. So, in the last video, we did some stick welding. First time I've ever done any stick welding. And these are the beads that we came up with. And I don't think it turned out the way it's supposed to be. I'm not sure. I did a little more research, and I'm thinking for this setup, I think the rod size was too big. So I bought 1/8 inch rod, which I don't even know why I did, because, so if we come over to the chart for stick welding, I got 60-13 rods. It says 3/32, doesn't even recommend 1/8 inch. And you know, this is about the highest we can go, I guess, for 1/8 inch. I bought some 3/32, so we're gonna try that out. So we're gonna open this box up, get some metal out, try to do some more beads and see how well this goes. Now I feel like these welds are doing a little better than the other ones. These ones look a lot more flat than the other ones. Now I'm using a little thinner material too, so this is actually 1/8 inch steel that I'm welding on. But I think this looks more like how I think it should be. So please correct me if I'm wrong. But I think this is actually more of what we're looking for. Try to get a little different angle for you. I guess it's kind of hard to tell from where we're at right now, but this is a lot more flat than the stuff that we just did. The other stuff was a lot more raised. So this is the other stuff. That was the stuff I originally did with the 3/32 rod. So this steel is also probably 1/4 inch, so it's a little thicker. But these welds look a lot more flat, so I think this is probably more of what we're trying to look for. So I think I'm going to try to keep doing a little more practicing with this and see how well we can do. Alright, so we put some more welds down. I think this is turning out better now. Getting a lot better with starting the arc. It's feeling a little better, and I think these welds are looking better. I think they're looking more consistent compared to the other ones. So I think that we got some of this down. I cut out some pieces of metal. So we're gonna move down to this little area here and try to start sticking some metal together. There we have it. I did the one side, and then I just kept going, did the whole way around. Now this is just with the slag on it still. I'm going to clean that off, but I thought this was pretty cool. This is the first time I've had this happen. I guess this is called slag peel, when it is still all attached and it starts lifting up. Looks like I actually have some there, and there's actually some here too. It's lifting up at this spot, but you can't see it because I'm zoomed in on this side. But I'm going to go ahead and clear that all off, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so this was the first one, and that, to me, that looks pretty good. You tell me. I think that looks pretty decent. This is the next side, and that one still looks pretty good. It was pretty consistent up until about here, and it got a little weird. And then let's turn it again. Let me look at this. This was okay until we got to the end, and we didn't finish very well. And This is the last side. Now, I saw something weird was going on here. I think I was going a little too fast. I wasn't really doing too good on this side. So this side definitely wasn't the best. But I think that actually went pretty decent. I was honestly getting tired of just doing beads over and over again, so this was nice doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some other metal on and see what else we can do. All right, well, this side was very much less than desirable. This did not go very well at all. There's still slag on there, and I don't know why it's on so thick. So I started off and it didn't go very well, and then I tried to like reposition myself, and that threw everything off, and then I went too far down, and this was terrible. So I flipped to the other side, and it went much better on this side. So this side was still pretty hard to get all the slag off. I think with the light right here, you can tell there's like a little bit of inconsistency with, I don't know if it was my speed. So for whatever reason, this 90 is kind of hard to do. I had a harder time trying to keep a consistent height as I went across. The arc was getting a little more violent in some areas because I was pulling away too much. But this side went a lot better than the other side. The other side, I couldn't keep a consistent height at all. It was really violent at times. But I think this went pretty well. And then towards the end, I kind of lost a little bit there. But getting better. This is a huge improvement, I think, over the 1/8 inch rod with a thicker material. So I actually have plenty of this material left, all this 1/8 inch stuff. So I have plenty to work with. I think I'm going to do some more practice with it, and maybe we'll come back and I'll do some sort of project with this and share a video on that. But definitely a huge improvement. I like how this is turning out so much better. I think we finally got this dialed into what it needs to be. So sorry if I have any lines on my face. I had my respirator on because I didn't grind down the other side, and there was a lot of paint on it, and the fumes were just getting a little too much. So anyway, again, I feel like this went a lot better than the last video I did, first doing stick welding. So this time it went a lot better. Still have some more practice to do, obviously, but I think we finally got our settings to where they need to be, and you know, I still have to do some more practice. So if there's anything you think I was doing wrong or settings weren't right, by all means, please drop that down in the comments and let me know. So, but like I said, hopefully we'll get to do some projects in the future with this. I'd really like to try that out, and we'll go from there. So if this is the first time on the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And I think that's about it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.